Imagine waking up in your very own custom home, surrounded by mature trees, rolling hills, and the natural beauty of Tennessee. Welcome to Bella Grace Drive in the Chapelwood Subdivision of DeKalb County. Picture a beautiful mock-up home nestled on this spacious 0.54-acre lot, complete with a welcoming driveway, scenic views, and plenty of room to create your ideal outdoor living space. With over 23,000 square feet, this property provides the perfect canvas to bring your vision to life. Utilities are available at the street, including power and water, and paved road access makes reaching your future home easy year-round. A minimum home size of 1,400 square feet helps maintain the quality and appeal of the neighborhood. Just minutes away, enjoy boating, fishing, kayaking, and swimming at Center Hill Lake, or explore the trails and scenic overlooks of Edgar Evins State Park. Located just 7.3 miles from Smithville and within easy reach of Nashville, Cookeville, Murfreesboro, and Chattanooga, this property offers the perfect balance of peaceful living and modern convenience. Owner financing is available starting at just $420 per month, with no credit check required. Call 8137-335-476 or visit gatewaylandinvestments.com to learn more. Your future home starts here on Bella Grace Drive, where dream homes become reality.